Hello, YouTube fans. There's poor Chica. We had an incident in our community, and we have a lady who doesn't believe in vaccinations, so her dog got parvo. And I'm telling you, you need to get their vaccinations. So poor Chica, coughing. So another lady, her dog catches kennel cough. And she takes her for a walk and brings her over. Now, whenever people come to visit us, we always ask if their dog is vaccinated. Well, her dog had kennel cough. And now all our dogs have kennel cough. And that's what kennel cough sounds like. Not so fun. So just, kennel cough. You should get your dog vaccinated against kennel cough if you take your dog for walks or go to off-leash parks. They say it's usually if you board them in a kennel or do a play date. But that's not the only place you can catch it. So, people, get your dogs vaccinated. Poor girl. So she'll be sick for about 2 weeks with this cough. And then she is very contagious, so I can't take her out. And 2 weeks after the cough is gone, she's still contagious. So, and then after that, you can get the vaccine again. But you need to get your doctor, ask your doctor for kennel cough, because it's pretty bad. It's a bad cold. Poor girl. That's a poor girl. Yes. All the dogs have it. Hi, YouTube.